Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here today. I'm at my daughter's house, my oldest daughter, Rosalie, and she's gonna go right into what we are doing. Hi, Rose.
Hi, so today we're gonna make a tuna salad. We're gonna need a can of tuna, mayonnaise, pepper, salt, lettuce, a pickle, purple onion, your choice of bread. We pair our tuna sandwiches with the plain Lay's, but you can use your choice of chips, but these are our favorite. And we'll be right back. Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna do is drain our tuna. I chose Bumblebee in water. So all you're gonna do is just take the lid and drain all that juice out. Get it all out. And then you're just gonna put it into a glass bowl. Okay, so the next step is just combining all the ingredients together. So we're gonna start with lettuce. This is a cup. We're gonna have a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. And please use Best Food, it's the best. I have, it's a little under, I'd say about a 1/4 cup of pickles diced. And then this is optional. If you don't like purple onion, you don't have to use it. We like purple onion, so.
I love purple onion.
We are doing a 1/4 cup of purple onion. You're just gonna combine this all together. If you didn't have the shredded lettuce in the bag, you can always buy like the head of lettuce and shred it yourself. So you're just gonna combine. So I combine a little bit, and then now I just come in and I shake my salt, a couple shakes, and then some pepper. I love pepper, so we always go extra. And you're just gonna combine it all together. I'm gonna switch out to this one. I'm gonna get everything mixed in. So if you don't like a lot of mayonnaise, you can make it drier if you wanted to, less mayonnaise. I like it to be really all nice and creamy. Okay, so that's it. It's simple. You can eat this just like that, but I'm gonna come back and show you how I make it with my bread. I just wanna let you know I did add a tomato. I forgot to put that ingredient in it, so that's optional. So now I have toasted bread, regular bread, and then a healthy choice. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna come over here, and you're just going to fill it up. Fill that up. Put it on top. And we're gonna cut it right down the middle. This is my bread because I love healthy. And then we'll do the same. So I learned how to make this tuna because of my niece Serena. I had babysat for my sister-in-law years back, and she made this for me. I've never had tuna like this prior. My mom used to always make tuna with eggs. Never have I had it this way. So, missing that there. Can you not plate over here, Mom? Okay. And then this is my husband's favorite. He wants it toasted. So you just toast the bread, and you just put it on. And cut it in half. And there you go. It's super simple and easy. So we're all done. I already made 3 sandwiches, and I still have some extra left over. So you can store this in the refrigerator. I would store it immediately because it has the mayonnaise in it, and then you can still enjoy for the next 2 days. Some people like to chill it and then make it, but I do it both ways. So that's the recipe.
And we're gonna cheers. Thank you, Rose, for doing the show.
You're welcome.
We'll be back with the scripture of the day.
Okay.
We're getting ready to eat this. We've got the healthy one, the toasted one, And we've got the one just on the regular white bread here. We'll be back. Here's the scripture of the day. 1 Thessalonians 5:16 and 17.
Always be joyful, never stop praying. Thank you for watching my mom's YouTube channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up, and remember to always push on the subscribe button so you'll never miss a recipe with my mom. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Rose, so much.
You're so welcome,
for
Mom.
doing this show, and we will be back.